Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, just playing around today, and you could probably make it better or prettier than I made it, but it's pretty cool design by taking the Polygon Tool and using the three-sided polygon, and I always hit P. In this case, it doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to draw a two-point line holding down the control button, as long as the line is as long as that part of the triangle. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and put one down there. If you've got snap to, it'll snap to. Then hold down the shift key and select this other line so you've got two objects selected. Go up to effects and blend. And I'm going to blend them 8 times. Then I'm going to take the smart fill tool and I am going to fill it in, and I'm just using yellow. It doesn't really matter. You want to have an even amount of, all done. Then take your virtual segment delete key and swipe through here, and it'll get rid of those lines on the outside. It would actually help if that one line was a little bit longer. Now we're going to take our triangle, our nudge factor set on 20 inches, we're going to nudge it out of the way. There's actually another line right there, but sometimes it's hard to reach it, so we're just going to nudge that out of the way and then hit this line and just delete it. If you ever get the shape tool, you can just do that. Now we're going to put this back. You don't really need the triangle anymore, so we're going to delete it. But now you need to group this together, Control G, to make the interactive fill tool work on all of it. And maybe just go from one angle to the other. You can add colors. And let's add a dark purple in the middle. We're trying to make this one a little bit different. I'm going to put a white right in the middle. And then put that purple on the other side of it. Maybe put another yellow close to here, and maybe another red, so you're just playing around, or I am. And then you're done. That looked pretty cool. Now, open up your Windows Docker. First of all, we need to double click on it and move the rotation to the top. Then open up your Windows Docker's transform and go to the rotation, or rotate, 60 degrees 5 times. We actually need 6, but in Corel, when it says copies, you've already got the 1. Pretty cool design. You could do a lot with this and play around with it. And, if we did it with the clone tool, if we go up to edit and clone this guy, and then manually rotate it 60 degrees, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. This is our clone. And what's always cool about the clone tool, you can use the interactive fill tool to change the color. And look at it, it's changing all of them. So you could add a little more yellow, add that a little more red, and you could still smooth it out a little bit. Pretty cool design. I don't know what you'd ever use it for, but it's fun to play with. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.